Hello friends, so this is class number 48. We are taking micro level teaching, only one point at a time, that's all. So it becomes easy for you to follow, that's why. Okay, let's see, we have got a class. Okay, this is a class, imagine, you have to imagine many things in life. So let's say this is a class, alright? Yes. So you have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So these are boys and girls. It's a class. Now you want to say, you want to talk something about a part of them. A part of them. Suppose you want to say about 1. You want to say about 1. You want to say about 2. You want to say about 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years. 5 and so on. You want to say about all the 30. You want to say about 29. You want to say about 31, there are 33, isn't it? So you want to say about part of this. Part of this class. Part of the members of this class. So what will you do? Or you want to say many. You don't want to say one or two, but you want to say many. So you can say about many. You can say several. Several you can say, many you can say, majority, the majority, yes. So how will you say? Like this, you can say many in the class, several in the class, then the majority in the class, 1 in the class, 2 in the class, that won't work. So you have to definitely speak about a part. And you know, in English there is a very beautiful word for that. Very small word. Small words are very beautiful in English. For example, a, and, the. Isn't it? And all the pronouns he, she, it. They are all very small words. And we have to use the. We have to use them very often. So one such word is this. Can you guess? And that word is, that magic word is of. So you can say one of the boys, not one of the boys, because there are many here. One of the boys, 2 of the boys, 3 of the boys, 1 of the girls, 2 of the girls, 3 of the girls, many of the girls, many of the boys, several of the girls, several of the boys, the majority of the boys, the majority of the girls, you can say, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up to 31 you can see. Because there are 33, 32, and 33 of the boys you cannot say, because there are only 33. So you have to say, up to this 32. If there are 100 you can say, 99 off you can say. So when you are using off in this way, to speak about a part of a whole, this is known as partitive use of. Partitive. P-A-R-T-I-T-I-V-E. Partitive use. We are using of. Partitive use of. Understand? Partitive use of. What is partitive also? You have got a large number. You want to speak about a part of them. You start with 1 up to maximum -1. That is, in this case, start with 1 and go up to 32. 1 of 2 of 3 of 4 of 5 or 6 of 5. Alright. And suppose not definite, you can use expression like that, many. many of, several of, the majority of. But you should remember one thing. After this, only plural nouns or plural proverbs. You can use only plural nouns or plural pronouns. Understand? For example, you have one of them. Yes. One of those. Pronoun, plural pronoun. See? One of the boys, plural noun. Two of the boys, plural noun. Two of them, plural pronoun. Two of those, plural pronoun. Three of the boys, three of the girls, plural noun. Three of them, three of those. Several of them, several of the boys. Many of them, many of the boys. Many of you, if you are addressing them directly. Many of us, we are talking about us. So plural pronouns. Then the majority of the boys, majority of them, majority of those. So that's the important point. When you use partitive of for partitive purposes, speaking about part, you have to use plural. One is plural nouns or plural pronoun. Alright, let's have some examples, then it will become clear. Alright? And because very often we say now, there is a trap here and the trap is very simple. Sometimes there is a tendency to say, one of the boys is. One of the boys is. That is wrong, terribly wrong. You should not say like that. Sorry. One of the boys is clever. Wrong. Why? This is not the subject. The whole thing is the yes. One of the boys is, sorry. One of the boys is correct. That is correct. Because the subject is, as we have already seen, we have got many here. Speaking about only one. So, singular verb. Because one of the boys is always singular. Because you are speaking only about one. But it is followed by, of is followed by plural noun. Of is followed by plural noun. After of, there should be plural nouns. Then all the other expressions, plural subject. Because you said two of the boys are clever. Many of the girls are clever. Several of the girls of the boys are clever. The majority of the boys are clever. So here, remember, I told you, I myself made a mistake. So you should be very careful. In this partitive use of partitive means taking part and speaking. And what happens is, when one of the is followed by plural noun, the subject is singular and the verb should be singular. All the other places plural. Now, a very important point to remember is, after of, there should be plural, either pronoun or nouns. For example, we can say, one of them, we can say. Okay, let us substitute by pronouns. One of them. Instead of one of the boys, you can have one of them. two of the boys, you can see two of them. Girls, two of them. Boys, two of them. And boys, two of them. Suppose you are speaking in first person, then you will say one of us, two of us, many of us, several of us, the majority of us. If you are using second person, then you will say one of you, two of you, many of you, and several of you, the majority of you. That's it. Okay? So the golden rule is, after of, use plural. Plural noun or pronoun. I think clear. Secondly, one is remember, then subject is plural. But be careful with the one of the followed plus plural noun. That is singular. Verb should be singular. As we have seen, one of the boys is. I think this point is clear to you. So today, bye. See you again with another in the next class. Till then, have a nice time. Enjoy your life. And enjoy learning grammar because it is an asset for. Bye.